Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Yukon XL SLT. The Yukon XL rides on a little bit of a bigger wheelbase, and it's much bigger than the normal Yukon, which is saying a lot because the normal Yukon is massive in and of itself. Stay. You can see a good amount of cargo room. So you know what I'm gonna do? Take the key, because there's some features on the key that I have noticed and learned about. That's pretty cool. So of course you have it locked. Hold the unlock. Oh wait, no. Oh, you have to enable that. Never mind. I'm being stupid. But if you hold unlock, I do believe it drops all the windows down. Try this again. It might only be on the Denali, but I'm gonna try it nonetheless. Alright, so what I'm trying to do is cancel remote start. So when you hold unlock on the Denali, it drops all the windows down, which is pretty cool. Whoops. Why am I losing it? This is what I wanted to do. Pop the rear glass, and you can just, if you have just something you want to drop in, you can. You can see they hide the windshield wiper up there. Prevents it from getting iced over. Very smart idea. Capless fuel filler, but there's a back one-way, actually there's two valves in there to prevent people from siphoning gas. Huge back seats. As you can see, tons of room. Alright, off to that terrible start where I tried to figure out how to drop all the windows. Let's go ahead and start it up. And I have to be really quick because in demo mode it automatically turns on the radio, and I don't want to get copyrighted. There we go. Nice. You do have auto folding mirrors. So if you go into your settings, your vehicle settings, comfort, convenience, so you can go through, and so here we go. So remote mirror folding, so you can, when you lock it, it folds the mirrors. Aha, there we go. So you can go through and do, where is it? Remote window operation. That's what you need to turn on in order for it to work. Aha! But should have known that. Should have looked before I started filming, but you know what? A lot of times I film 8 cards a day, you start to lose your mind. You have a bunch of different drive modes: off-road, sport, tow, haul. For the majority of the time I've been driving these in sport. Just increases your steering weight, increases throttle response, all the stuff you would ever want. Makes it a really enjoyable experience. Total price on this one is $68,685. Yes, I can read backwards, and yes, I have gotten a lot better at it. I'm sure you ask anyone who works at a car dealership or in car sales, ask them about, if they can read backwards and upside down. And yeah, it's definitely a skill that you need to acquire to be successful. Saves you a lot of time from having to walk to the other side, whereas you can just read the window sticker from the back, the other side. The SLT Yukon XL comes with your 5.3-liter Ecotec V8 with cylinder deactivation, of course, as well as the 10-speed automatic. I have to check out a base Yukon, but I think the 10-speed is the only transmission that you can get in these. For the SLT trim, 5.3, I believe, is your only engine option, whereas the Denali you can upgrade to your 6.2K. Good job. Your 6.2 Lingenfelter Camaro right there, pretty nice. The SLT is one step below the Denali. Actually, I just saw one as I was leaving the lot. The Yukon AT4 might be the step above this. I consider them to be pretty equal, even though price on the AT4 I think is a little bit more. But pretty much what I consider the SLT to be is a junior Denali. And in all honesty, this is more than what anybody would ever need. Super luxurious. All the materials in here are very, very nice. All the GMC products have chrome finished dials. GMC was designed to be Chevy's luxury division, so you'll notice like the Acadia is a little bit more dressed up than the Blazer. The Train is a lot more dressed up compared to the Equinox, stuff like that. Especially it's noticed in the Sierra Denali versus the Silverado High Country. Both are phenomenal trucks, but the Denali just steps it up just the needed notch. And in all honesty, I'm a GMC guy compared to Chevy. GMCs really are beautiful machines. Of course, not being the Denali, you have GMC on the steering wheel instead of Denali. I do like the red of the GMC more than just the plain Denali. It helps brighten up the interior a little bit. Something that is absolutely welcomed in my eyes. Cooled or ventilated and 2-mode heated seats. All the cooled and the heated seats both are 3 levels, whereas the heated seat you can choose just to have your back heated or both the back and the bottom of the seat. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You know what? Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.